Hey guys, Sean Lentz here from Appalachian DIY, and today I'm going to show you guys how to prevent Asian lady beetles from getting into your home and what things you need to look for to correct. So one really quick thing that we need to address is what's the difference between an Asian lady beetle and a normal ladybug, because they look really similar. The easiest way I can tell you to tell them apart is an Asian lady beetle will have a white W on the top of their head. So once we have figured out what kind of pests we have for my house, it's the Asian lady beetle, because they're attracted to light colored houses that are white, gray, or yellow with dark trim. That's like the pinnacle of what they like, and they also like old houses. So this house behind me right here, white siding, black trim, and it's a 1900s house, so it's the perfect breeding ground for Asian lady beetles. So what we're going to do is we're going to take you guys around, show you guys where to spray chemicals and the critical areas that they like to get into. So what we're going to be using here today is Harris's home pest control. This stuff is specifically made for Asian lady beetles and also box elders. There's a whole bunch of other stuff that it kills too. But this is what we're going to be using. We've used this will be the second season now, and last season we saw a huge diminish in how many lady beetles we actually had, so this stuff works really well. What's nice about this is there's no mixing. It's a straight fluid, you just pour it in and then spray. There's no mixing or ratios or anything like that. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to address the main issue, which is cracks and crevices that insects can crawl into to penetrate inside of your house. The first one of these is right here where the foundation meets the house. We have a deck up here, and they'll get in right underneath this into the sill plate. And this is a great area to spray underneath here. We also have some siding right here on this part, so you're going to want to spray up underneath this, and also right up in here they can get up behind your siding and stuff if this isn't sealed properly, and they love just crawling up and getting in all of these little nooks and crannies in your siding. We had to replace a couple of sheets of this and they just dropped out of here, so make sure you're getting underneath here under your siding and up under here between your foundation and your house. The next place that we're going to address is doors and windows. So around our trim on our windows is a perfect place for these lady beetles to get into, especially around your J channel and stuff. They'll just slip in behind there, get in behind your windowsill, and just get into your house that way. So make sure that you're spraying around the outside of all of your doors and windows. We also have a chimney here that has some J channel on it. Just go ahead and spray in between that J channel and the masonry on this. The last thing that we're going to do is we're going to spray a preventive perimeter around the base of our house. So right at your foundation, spray a little trail the whole way around your house. What that's going to do is just going to protect anything crawling up to your house and wanting to go up those walls to find those little cracks and crevices to get into your house. Alright guys, that wraps up this video. Just a real quick recap, make sure that you guys are getting the majority of the sunny part of your house more than your shaded sides, because they like the sun. Make sure that you're getting around all of your cracks and crevices, doors, windows, cracks in your foundation. And then also make sure that you're putting down that perimeter barrier around your dirt and foundation. This is going to be something for me with our white house with black trim. That's something that's going to have to be a preventive maintenance thing, because it's always going to be attracting them. We did see that decrease in the beginning of last year, but it's still going to be something that we have to do every year, because it's just going to be attracting them the way our house is colored and how old it is. So this is the best way that I found to get rid of those pesky Asian lady beetles. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button and head over to Appalachian DIY for more videos. Thanks again guys, and I hope to see you next time.